Public Works is a first responder, and they're also the heroes. The Public Works Department, being responsible for our infrastructure, is always ready for after-hours emergencies. We do have emergency supplies, trained crews, standby after hours, a whole communication system. For weeks after the Eaton fire, Public Works had several staff in the Emergency Operations Center to coordinate work and document all our expenses for everything we did for FEMA reimbursement.
I believe that because of our capability and knowledge of our own systems and direct management and operations of our own systems, we have a distinct advantage when the event comes, whether that's earthquake, whether it's a terrorist threat, whether it's an El Nino storm. We kind of think ahead through, hey, what could be impacted? How can we be prepared? We work with police, we work with fire, we work with our Department of Transportation daily on traffic operations, etc. And that comes to play, and we leverage that during EOC operations because they're relying on us to clear roads or to set up barricades and to do our part in terms of making sure the roadway is open and safe and clear and whatnot so they can do their roles. And we work symbiotically with these other departments.
The Public Works Department in Pasadena is one of the larger departments in the city. We cover a diverse range of services from street cleaning to trash collection, forestry. We have over 60,000 trees. We have sewer maintenance, storm drain maintenance. We fix streets and sidewalks. We have signs and markings. We do traffic signals and street lighting. And we have an engineering division that manages our capital projects. And we have a building and fleet division. We have pretty much all the skilled trades for over 100 buildings that we own.
It ranges from a simple sidewalk fix to a roof on a fire station to resurfacing streets to redoing a library. And it's everything in between. So every project is supporting the function and needs of the city, and it's important to somebody, whether that's the general public or a city employee. Every project's important. Usually our projects are either new and it's serving a new need, or it's a rehabilitation because some facility has gone beyond its useful life. We ask ourselves, did we actually accomplish what we set out to do?
The Public Works Department has a lot of big, exciting projects coming down the pipe. We have our library reconstruction, seismic retrofit of almost a 90,000 square foot library.
The primary goal of this project is to reinforce a mile of masonry walls with concrete shear walls. In addition to that important goal, it's an opportunity to make important upgrades to the building that's nearly 100 years old. So critical upgrades to building systems like electricity, mechanical, plumbing, fixing a leaky roof, improvements to accessibility so everybody can be in the building, preserving historic elements of the building that are beautiful, that need to be preserved for the future, and also thinking about some flexibility so that 100 years from now, whatever the needs of the community have evolved to be, the building can respond to those needs.
In just a few months, we're going to be constructing our very first regional stormwater capture project, so that's very exciting for the city. That's our Sierra Madre Median Enhancement Project. So it's 1.25 miles of enhanced native landscaping along previous Pacific Railcar line areas that are now vacant city-owned median spaces. Currently contain thirsty grass, sparsely vegetated trees. So the idea of the project is to divert surface flows as well as dry weather flows into new enhanced median spaces to not only address stormwater compliance, but also to beautify the corridor for the community and to provide some infiltration and groundwater recharge.
We do assist with major events like the Rose Parade every year on New Year's. That's an enormous preparation effort.
Behind the scenes, there's a lot of inner workings that the public doesn't see going on from preparing immediately, sort of after the parade is over. We start to prepare for next year's parade. The city has become known for the parade and what recognitions that we have throughout the city in different areas, and we like to keep that image.
A lot of the projects that we do in Public Works, at least in the engineering side, are projects maybe like a sewer relining. You're not going to notice that your sewers flow any better, but we're taking a 60-year-old system or an 80-year-old system, and we're lining it with something that's going to keep it in service for another 50 years, right? There's value in having infrastructure that works, even though the public doesn't even know about it. It's what is required to keep a society running.
The opportunity is finding efficiencies, and I really encourage staff to think out of the box. Don't do things because you've always done it that way. think how else it could be. The potential for improving quantity and quality of what we deliver with the same amount of resources, that's really what we strive for.
Our prime directive is we serve the citizens, the public, the businesses, the people that visit the city, and we do it with passion and commitment and a lot of pride in the work that we do.